Hello and welcome to Ingrevo. We provide essential, affordable, and user-friendly digital tools for cosmetic manufacturers to simplify cosmetic formulation and manufacturing. In this video, we will guide you through navigating the dashboard in Ingrevo. Let's get started. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. The dashboard is your primary hub for navigation. Using the main menu, you can access the manufacturing, compliance, and planning modules in Ingrevo. The main menu is thoughtfully designed to remain at the top of the page regardless of where you are in the software, ensuring you can always access it conveniently. Additionally, the dashboard offers quick links to different areas of the software, including the help guides. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to navigate the dashboard in Ingrevo. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact the support team via the Contact Us page or email us at hello@ingrevo.com. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on updates, and leave a like or a comment below if this video was useful.